abusafo yemobi akwaba edeba DKTV GH so enedue ebre aso se dachi ne kwaku eden semo a eto form na wotwetwa mu no ede besom na hwefo ennatifo ewo DKTV GH so tentem so ye bawuro mu na ye bawuro mu ewo Ghana players akopim ewo amono ne na ehwesese premiership English premiership a Ghana kuta players mako 4 and 5 kura nisa no makopim ewo English Premier League limu a onbe kire onbo bre this season a ebeka ya Mohamed Kudus eda so a ewo Tottenham Fatawi sha akopim o Ipswich Town ana Anto Semenyo eda so ewo Man City Brandon Thomas Asante ene Caleb Rechi enso so ewo Coventry City as I say 4 players we and 5 players we and ye hwe ni mu season on betimi abo modern ewo English Premier League ni mu ayi na ye hwe ni mu Anto Semenyo se ni role model player wo hwe no se be hwe player bia wo bi wo hwe no e de ebo ne ball o se on de ni role model a wa hwe na monitor na aye Anthony Yeboah Yegola Tony Yeboah na ye obi a Anto Semenyo se wota ehwe ne pa na se o hwe no e de ebo ne ball enso so e ho no e be ka kire emre bi se Carlos Queiroz se siya de se hiana abano ebetua na assistant na obefo nyina aban na ebetua moka as the demanding any sika wo je ne enya senke 20 se ama GF mpanimfo apose kakra o ma hold on a mo hwe anim se even September international break ebe koso a Ghana be defending match no o mo hwe anim se Desmond of Fair ebetimi ahwe no ototo niema samro o mugusu o mo pe coach fufuro amana befa the senior national team the Black Stars no GF say nka mo bia so nte se o ma clear all the Ghana Premier Referees allowances ni na 2025 2026 na etwa no o ma clear all the arrests ni na afro Niger for a request say ngon person mo use Accra Sports Stadium at the ball or more Cup of Nations qualify and it's then some everyone so by Ibrahim Tanko our coach at the media ma at the betu just say the senior national team the blaster Jumana beton sempani for freno na all the stakeholders ni na quite benkrum say a fedie or me for Jumadi na why crowd say for the senior national team the blasters where Ibrahim Tanko where coach at the media ma so this answer we are to dra Brekum Chelsea for president I friend Bernard Amufa Jantua at the betu just say to manage Ghana Premier League club no enough form was unkuta over $300,000 untimi enkita for a team for a season and then some opani e dey tudwa so e honom and some wo ba dey so pa ICC e ka say dey say GFA e dey coach Otuado former coach the man the senior national the Black Stars omo de ka over $1 million ya enya asem ketewa opani e bobo no so wo de be ko FIFA na FIFA agency e de amano and then some influence so ba joja free esi won de sa tetem na onkofo e pedi ama ketokreku no de ono nya adwene na e maso ne e maso china on de ohwese obenya new FA president and nsemo George Free so e de atudwa Asante Kotoko akwakopi mo nka bonten so a 26 man squad a omugusu eye preseason enya den enso so e ho no ma before ombeko no omoni players bi omo drop players bi e ofie players bi te say Imaranchi Saka Dauda Prince Badu Azigminta Johnson Opon ene Zakaria Fuseni omo drop mu e ofie Saka Dauda de ne de omo se ne form no adepo kakra azisi na enye up to Kotoko standard nti woni Kotoko under 20 no enkoso anye training so omo guso onye team bi ankode a obekoso ane Kotoko under 20 no na aye training ono Saka eye preparation na Stanley Menzo our technical director Eden Sembebe atudwa was in fact emra obe pm wadakwaja achene no why disappointed because how I will see ete Kotoko FIA Kotoko history Kotoko records any Kotoko see big ewa Africa no enemo be hunu wadakwaja achene no why very disappointed hu say eneme ho no ensem fata se ye kase Kotoko de nia na in fact na eyawre hose but also the wabeto no saa na no de obe kan se eso performing esanse enene ade a fans ni nyina ehwe animu se eso on performing nti omu se omu adwuma yeyi papa ene se mopani ade atudwa anso so e ho no ma oto aso a wasisi omu hia quality players omu so kuta the right mindset any professionalism wasisi wonti me meet sa standard we ya ene ekwan wani mu ombetimi ama wa free team no nsemo opani so ade atudwa anso so e ho no sa so na brands and partnership manager FN David Obenya akonso so ede nseme bia betu just see here dey we Kotoko player se wo ye video ko TikTok live se team ni ma kwanse ko yesa na ma na eni kwanse woko ese de abande wo mo se obetimi post to social media ne ade ese team ni ma go ahead team ni ma permission club no ma permission say na watimi ayesa de o se we nyina no on pese board no so on protect the image of Asante Kotoko se bia on betimi protect the image of Krobia kuma Asante Kotoko se ka say Richard Buodu Agadas we ni medicals ewo Kotoko opese osan eba the second coming se ka say Venezuela GFA approve say aka up and coming season ebe boy yebetimi asi akan Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium or Tamale Accra Sports Stadium University of Ghana Sports Stadium Legon Downs Park BBN in Century Sports Arena Samanboy TNA Sports Stadium Takwa Nana Fosuji Abo Bechim AK Second Sports Arena Basake Tuba Astutef Golden City Park Brekum Babara Sports Stadium Kumasi Pando Sports Stadium Nana Boamada Kon the second park Kukurantumi and Linkley Sports Stadium or Boase. These are the venues and the GF in Ajatum say a bit Messia kind this season. Ewo Ghana Premier League in as so. Ntu be here Kotoko first match against the BB United. Yetimi Nkokrumo enkobo or match no we sense one park omu isu no GF in ntimi approve am momentum wakopiem ewo Brekum Golden City Park Brekum ehona the BB United ebesi na kan nti hona Kotoko first match against the BB no ebe kosonso enso ewo honom eretekla eshie players alo two omu febre ensema wo kan nyina ne se edin se wetimi abe successful in life but enye den chance why successful la we no o maintain sa stage no sa level of successfulness no o say enye den chance asem ne nsema opani so dey to dia obeka Danlad Ibrahim Ebrekini said Danlad egusu ane Kotoko training but see e kase won share science so so sign contract e dey ama Asante Kotoko Danlad egusu training with Krobia Asante Kotoko but unyansa contract bia anu nsema ifuru nso so buy ye hwe players ane o makopi mo hasofo 7 new players first Abdulaziz Mustafa Yakubu Alex Banso Manuel Osejan Roxen Chireme Dedi Kankan Caleb Cranton and Frempong Jew. These are 7 players and they Hasufu etimi asan wo mo Hasufu ko na o masa atwo mo free top 4 na ebekoso this season essence o mo hu ni say top 4 time na dey top 4 no ene o mo preparation na behia to o mo ka say o mo top 4 na ebe harry be papa te say ka say dey Hasufu say top 4 no nya dey say o mo bebo te say top 4 no mo free mu no e say efi no a replace FC Samates say o mo emehye Hasufu kanaya o mo mebo top 4 nso so e wo honom James Brown ne wo ya Asante Kotoko bo chairman e da betu bi assess wo Kotoko player na ne wo bo Kotoko a can to serve say we are very lucky because enye easy say obenya Kotoko na wabo na ne no changes bebre eba na wo yero so a obetimi a benefit more pa also sama makwekwe e be ka former player de Asante Kotoko striker e de Brekum Arsenal e be ka obesi aka de Kotoko ensema okanyina nesese obo Kotoko a ya na opportunities bebre ene ba wa kwam do ye player as obo Kotoko sisi ya o se bo efru akoma mu nyina na ku ho Kotoko no na eso ebe ba mfaso ama odache we na panifo ko shia sports council e wa Accra se baba era sports stadium no ne maintenance 77 na e wo form nti omomo de season we de omonko all out se be ya baba era sports stadium be ko so agina na so abrena brano bia no pitch no be conducive for any football game and so say mon pani dia to dwan so e wo hono do safo see ya ye kasa die Blasters empani for a senior national team egusu pe coach esanse o mantimi miti Carlos Coros ni demands and so e ho dankwe se yam fanto bia nem so so nyina no support Asante Kotoko timre bi ba kra na nko pese o free has folk e ba Kotoko but na edin esanse se de na has of supporters in be some more canteen ma ehun kakra ebo Barcelona de Kotoko no enda so ewo no mu Daniel ko feature ezi e kase wakosan contract de ama second division club be wo Germany I friend club Osnabrück as see here de hona and Daniel ko feature so edene time akobo bashuri for the say on the ohun say Ghana ha no yempanifo no bi local coaches no ozo mu bo money mtia kakra esanso omu nyina kuta certificate bo omu hunu de ntia omu pre coach a omu ede omu ni hwe foforo no omu je omu local coaches no e wo ha no ɛne asɛm a ɔpanin so ɛde ato dwa so so far CAF announce major tournaments ɛbɛkɔ so our host nations ni nyinaa so for 2026 CAF Super Cup no ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ South Africa so na 2027 so under 20 AFCON no so no under 23 AFCON no ɛbɛkɔ so Egypt ɛna under 20 AFCON 2027 and so Ghana na ɛbɛ host ɛna 2027 na under 17 AFCON no so no Morocco ɛna ɛbɛ host ɛnso so ɛwɔ no makwekwe sɛ why ready onya retire Ghana Premier League no why ready so o team bi obesan ne bia no obeba bebo no oba nso so a ovem so obetimi ade booking nso so ɛwɔ no aha na brebe ma da chine kwa modi masi o DKTV GT so oba so na nya subscribe video na say share video no send them afoforo no mo so ntensem a etwagu ɛwɔ Ghana football mu. Until then, stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.